Hello, welcome again. So today I'm going to show how you can print, scan and copy from HP Deskjet all-in-one printer. So whatever printer which has a print, scan and copy function, so you can use in the same way so that you can do all the things. So first I'm going to show you how to do a print. So print you can either do it with the Wi-Fi with your any device, or you can use the USB cable given with your laptop or MacBook. So I'm using the USB cable here. Now whatever the document we want, we can actually go for that document. Go to the file on your laptop and look for the option print, and once you do that you will see the screen and you can choose the page number you want to print and click print button. Now icon will come on your laptop that shows the progress of the printing. Now the second thing we are going to do now is scan. So let's see, we want to scan this page, so I put it here in the printer, and then we have to go to the laptop again. Now in the laptop we have to go to the printer and scanners device. So in that option we have to go to the scan, and here we have to select the printer and then open scanner, and we can see the printer is about to scan now. So we can choose the color black and white option, and we can change the resolution, so we can put 300 dpi. We can go to choose the folder we have to save it, then we can name the folder, and now we have to choose the area we want to scan like this, and then press scan button, and it scans the documents automatically. Now if you want to add more documents in that, so just remove the old one and put the other side and close the lid. Click on overview first so that you can see if document is placed correctly. Yes, so just move it little bit and click scan button. So it says scanning document, scan to. So now you have made 2 copies in one file. So you can add as many as number of copies you want in the same way, and you will see all listed in a one file. So that is about the scan, and now I'm going to show you how you can do a copy. And to do a copy, whatever the page we want to copy, we have to place here. You have to check the sign for where we have to place, and just on this place, and now press the copy button. You can either print black and white or color, so whatever we want. So I'll put a black now. So if you press the black button, the printer has started printing now straight away. So this is the way how we actually copy. Thanks for watching.